Lumens, your reliable partner.
This video will show how to use the stage tracking mode on the VC-TA50 camera. This video is broken down into 4 simple steps. Let's start by looking at the equipment you need. You will need a computer to set up the VC-TA50. So, what is stage tracking? Stage tracking is where the camera is instructed to track a subject only within a predefined zone. When the subject moves out of the zone, the camera will stop tracking. In stage tracking, the camera maintains the same focal length, it will not automatically zoom in on the subject. Step 3. Now let's set up stage tracking. Log into the camera using the web interface. Click the Tracking tab to configure the camera. Now select Stage Mode, and click the Settings icon to access the advanced settings. To set up the tracking zone, use the zoom and arrow controls to establish the vertical position of the camera and to set the zoom. Then use the left and right arrows to select the left and right edges for your zone. Press the Save icon after setting each boundary edge. Let's go ahead and see stage tracking in action. Let's see stage tracking mode in action. Press Auto Tracking to begin. Note that when the subject moves beyond the tracking area, the camera stops tracking. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.